All right, guys, we've got some changes happening here on this YouTube channel. For the last 4 years, I have been privileged to be a part of your YouTube life. Like, I've been able to spend all this fun time with you. I've been able to help you through all your social media, online content marketing, live streaming needs. And it has been a blast. And I'm going to continue to do this, but we're going to get next level with it. If there's anything that I know about social media, it is that I don't know everything. There's so much out there nowadays. From back when I started in 2009, it used to just be really simple, MySpace and Facebook, and then Foursquare came out, Twitter, and it was just easy. It was easy to use, easy to understand. But since then, it's become so deep and complex and rich. And if you do it right, it's going to be money for your business. But I don't know everything. I don't have time to know everything. That is why what you're going to start seeing on this channel is going to be other experts who are going to lean into what they do best. We're going to have experts with all different expertise from LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, advertising, all the things that I am not an expert in. We're going to dig into really specific things to help businesses that I'm not good at. Like, I work with service-based business, but there's this whole other world of brick and mortar and restaurant. I am just don't have the information or the knowledge to do. So this channel is going to be rebranded into all-in-one social media, so it can really be your all-in-one place for everything that you need to help grow your business with better social media and content marketing. Of course, I will still be here giving you tutorials and guiding you through this, and we have a lot of really fun plans in here. But as social media grows and your needs grow, I want to make sure that I am fulfilling them for you. So I hope that you love what happens with the channel. I hope that you love the massive amounts of content that's coming your way. And I hope that you're excited about all of these fantastic experts that are going to guide you through problems, solutions, everything that you are in need of for your business. If there's anything that you want a video on or a series on, I have a form for you down in the description below where you're going to be able to put in anything that you want to know, subjects, topics, things you want to know about, questions you want to ask. By having them the form, they go directly to my Google, so I know exactly what you need to get made, so I can find someone to get that done. This channel is for you and your business, so you can have fantastic growth. I look forward to seeing you here on the channel more, and everything that's coming your way is going to be awesome. I hope you're ready. Until next time, I'll see you soon.